All right, here we go. Day 2 of your 12 Days of Wellness. My name is Mary Starr Carter. I'm known as the Total Wellness Doc and Mom. And today's tip, we're going to talk about muscle soreness, tightness, that kind of stiff feeling you get maybe at the end of the day, the middle of the day, the shoulders, when you get out of bed. So this one tip I have shared through the years, and I remember just a couple years back, I had my girlfriend do it, who's had a lot of like kind of back injuries, muscle pulls. She was a, what do you call that, rower, you know, a person who had, and I always remember all through college, she really struggled. So I shared this one tip and she did it and she was like, wow, I'm not sore like I normally am. I feel better. I sleep better. So are you ready for the one tip? But this one tip, if you struggle with soreness, muscle tightness, things like that, is Epsom salts. Yes, simple. I know you need a bathtub, right? Kind of need a bathtub. Kind of need a bathtub. Let's talk about that. So Epsom salts is a very simple way that you can add to your bath. Taking a bath is wonderful, but you add Epsom salts to it, and I will tell you, person after person after person is like, wow, I got a deeper sleep. I felt so much better. My headache went away. Epsom salts have been used medicinally for probably thousands of years. I don't know if that's true, but probably. And but it's very, very good to add. And I'm not talking about a few teaspoons. I'm talking, you know, for us adults, like a cup of Epsom salts. You can add a little bit of baking soda to it, and that will make your skin really soft, in that nice warm water. And if you are oh so brave, one of my favorite essential oils to add to my Epsom salts bath is called Believe, and it's a combination of fir oils, right? Fir oils are just amazing for tight muscles and soreness, and some specific fir oils in there. It also has frankincense in there, and frankincense is amazing. How many of you have frankincense in your arsenal of wonderful things? I hope you do, because it's not just this time of year that we talk about frankincense. It is a very powerful, wonderful oil to especially add to your Epsom salts, and especially if you're dealing with a lot of stress. So stress, what? It causes us to wear our shoulders like earrings. It causes us to have a lot of inflammation, stress, worry. It's a bad cycle, right? A lot of cortisol. And something as simple as taking an Epsom salt bath at night, and I will tell you, I've even, because I'm a homeschool mom too, that's a hard thing for me, and sometimes in the middle of the day, I will put PBS Kids on, and I'll go take an Epsom salt bath, close my eyes for a few minutes, you know, even if it's just 10 or 15 minutes, and I am back up, I am alert, I am patient, I am better. It's just something that's really good. Now, if you don't have a bath, I would even recommend just soaking your feet, because the magnesium is really the key of what is in the Epsom salts. So the magnesium getting in your body is what it actually absorbs into your body, is what helps the muscles relax. Magnesium helps us with everything from food cravings to it also helps our digestive support. In fact, you'll read on when you get Epsom salts, which you can get at most all grocery stores and all drugstores. You can get this. You can order online. During the COVID, I like ordered 20 bags of it. I didn't want to be without it. That was kind of embarrassing. But anyway, Epsom, and then I had to give it all away when I moved, just about. So anyway, back on track. Epsom salt, you'll read that you can actually take as a laxative. So those of you who do the master cleanse or the liver cleanse, you know we've had to do that. It doesn't taste so good, but it is something that you can do for cleansing. I don't recommend it on a constant basis, because it can, laxatives like this can mess up your electrolytes. You don't want to worry about that. Now, so you can stick your feet in nice warm water with some Epsom salts and really still get the benefits, and your favorite essential oils, right? Frankincense, Believe oil is one of my favorite. Let me know what one of your favorite essential oils is to add your Epsom salts. Now, if you didn't have any of those, there are some actual magnesium sprays or gels that they have out there. I really like that. I find that my clients, and I've heard these stories back from them, that they've used it even in cases where they would get shingles or they get a lot of cold sores or things like that. They found that if they kept their magnesium up, they didn't have those recurring shingles, or even had made their shingles better. So these kind of gels, I don't have some, I left that with friends too in California because I had a big old jug of magnesium. You can put it in your tub. It feels a little weird. It's almost a little bit itchy for some people, but you can actually rub that on a daily basis. So some people do that as well. And then of course there are supplements that are properly made with calcium and magnesium. Super Cal is one of those as well too. But back to my tip, I would recommend Epsom salts. You have to try this. Maria, try the frankincense in your bathtub. Absolutely as well. So shout out to Abigail Kelso, amazing massage therapist who can teach you more about, she's in the Liverpool area, Liverpool, New York. She can teach you more about using essential oils for muscle relief, aches and pains. And again, this is one of my tips as well. So I hope you have a great day 2, and we'll see you tomorrow with more tips on wellness. This is Dr. Mary Starr, the Total Wellness Doc. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Mary Starr Carter. I hope to see you there where you get more tips on all this great stuff. All right, talk to you later. Bye-bye.